today, Magnolia provides us with another easy and delicious recipe that your family can enjoy anytime, any day. Paskong-Pasko na. Bukod sa main course, kailangan natin maganda na alternatibong tinapay para sa pamabilisang paghahanda. Kaya naman today, gagawa tayo ng spread na perfect ngayong Pasko with Chef Yen. Hi, Chef.
Hi, Lynn. Today we'll teach them how to make the fiery cheese spread using Magnolia Quick Melt.
Let's start.
We will combine all ingredients together except the Parmesan cheese. I'm now putting in the Magnolia cream cheese spread. Put in Magnolia Quick Melt cheese. With Magnolia Quick Melt, you get cheese that melts easily and evenly. Dishes have just the right melted cheese, creating a good blend of flavors. Put in Pure Foods bacon crumble, jalapenos, and roasted bell peppers. Last would be the Magnolia Pure Fresh milk. Simmer over low heat until mixture becomes smooth. Transfer to an oven-proof baking dish. Cover with Parmesan cheese on top and bake in the oven toaster until the top becomes bubbly and brown. Here's the fiery cheese spread made with Magnolia Quick Melt.
Wow, looks really good, Chef. Thank you. Kaya ngayon may alternatibo na tayo ihahain sa Pasko. Ang sarap! Kaya tutok lang for more easy and delicious recipes this Christmas dahil araw-araw,
Sarap Magnolia!
Ang bahaging ito ay inetid sa inyo ng Magnolia. Araw-araw, sarap Magnolia.
Kung may Magnolia, queso de bola. Ang saya ng tanging sarap na hinahanap na. Pasko'y kompleto na with Magnolia, queso de bola.